Welcome to our YouTube challenge. Today, we are embarking on a journey of growth and learning by taking on a new challenge. Are you ready to step outside of your comfort zone and embrace the opportunity for personal development? Let's get started. Challenge 1. Choose your new challenge. Think of a new challenge you have been wanting to take on. It could be learning a new skill, trying a new hobby, or stepping into a new role. Select the challenge that excites and intrigues you. Challenge 2. Set clear goals. Define clear goals for your new challenge. What do you want to achieve? Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps to make the challenge more manageable. Challenge 3. Gather resources and knowledge. Research and gather the necessary resources and knowledge to support you in your new challenge. This could include books, online tutorials, courses, or reaching out to experts in the field. Challenge 4. Create a plan. Create a detailed plan of action to guide you through your new challenge. Outline the steps you need to take, allocate time for practice or learning, and set milestones to track your progress. Challenge 5. Embrace the learning process. As you embark on your new challenge, embrace the learning process. Embrace the idea that it's okay to make mistakes and encounter obstacles along the way. Learn from them, adapt, and keep moving forward. Challenge 6. Seek support and accountability. Share your new challenge with friends, family, or an online community. Seek support and encouragement from others who are also on a journey of growth. Find an accountability partner who can keep you motivated and on track. Challenge 7. Reflect and celebrate. After completing your new challenge or reaching significant milestones, take time to reflect on your journey. Celebrate your achievements and acknowledge the growth and learning that has taken place. Remember, by taking on a new challenge, you open doors to new experiences and personal growth. Embrace this challenge with enthusiasm and determination. Let's support each other on this journey of growth and learning.